Kedam tang jang mini phai in kore hinior ni Pakistan pen India hoya long kido Jammu and Kashmir habra long kido Pahalgam long ki jui kelang arada tumaphan monidang thin kawi okchumpran asong atum bang kore trok ki jui kelang aning kachaparong mati tourist tumaphan thangna dada hawi puchini lora pita risim kang tang pen teng khengsi apran armudet la so hut bang kre trok si tumabang ki arenga hu ki so dunang sidami dolo Bangsa jok India Sarkar hin pen Pahalgam hawralong okchumpran song atumaphan angkura phelong keherek ejia phan pura armu okswa bitung lasonsi Jammu and Kashmir Police IG Kashmir ADG Kashmir CRPF pen NIA officials bitung atum Baisaran Valley pen Pahalgam along anpali ponsi ketarli pasaideng pondo
ना अठारह था Bangsa aphuthak Lok Sabha Congress MP Rahul Gandhi sidami Jammu and Kashmir along anpali damsi kisung aphuthak JNK ACM Omar Abdullah Lapen JNK Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha Panchatong damsi Pahalgam along okchumpran song kateng kheng long lok aphuthak chingki chatandam Bangso kahumri damahut MP Rahul Gandhi pen kaninje pona tengki nona porahut lapuson sailang no ke klem pen adai kawi ki juining kachi parong arada phan ka tengkheng aphuthak MP Rahul Gandhi pen pin rempon lapen det piadang along kedo an arada tumsida meaning si vet pen epeng vet kedo pen si okchumpran song aphuthak chesong ponangji lapen bangso along sarkar atum kopi ma sai kedeng along anta kachidon dun alam the chipaklang pon
been a terrible tragedy and I came here to get a sense of what is going on and to help. The entire people of Jammu and Kashmir have condemned this terrible action and they have fully supported the nation at this time. I met one of the people who was injured. I of course couldn't meet other family members and other people because the injured people have gone back. My love and affection to everybody who has lost family members, and I want everybody to know that the whole nation is standing together again. We had a meeting yesterday with the government, and the united opposition condemned this action and said that we are there to support whatever action the government wants to do.
Lasiri tum okchumpran asong phan kachesong pen ki pahai jia phan polote det piadang ki do anarat sidame korte mutia sonche campaign iklai vet do pen chesong lote ilitum highway jiputa ningje pontu.
The idea behind what has happened is to divide society, is to make brother fight brother. And it is very important that every single Indian stands united, stands together, so that we can defeat what the terrorists were trying to do. It's sad to see that some people are attacking my brothers and sisters from Kashmir in the rest of the country. And I think it's very important that all of us stand together, stand united, and fight this nasty action that has been taken and defeat
Madam itu kita bang
terrorism
kita
once
pun
again.
mungkin lapu je.
Thank you very much.
Labang su truck terminal saya.
Halapu Home Minister Amit Shah hinpen JNKR lo ke doan Pakistania tumapan pang thek pon nang pupusi pangdak pondo. Laswa tengpen Pune District Administration hinpen bang Parisira bang Parisi Pakistani Nationals atum district atumapan pang thek pon longsi jang mini phaing ko troxi ang bong India pen kache o jia phansi hukum pipondo. International Desk Report KTV News.